Hi students, this video is all about doing the ratios of your polis. So in order to do this, you need your polis and you need your design key done so you know which building is which. And we're going to fill out this side, okay? So I am using Skittleland as an example. Skittleland here. So to do this, we're going to be counting the length and the width of our buildings, and we're going to be counting the units, which essentially means the boxes, okay? So length comes first and then the width. So if you were to measure me, I don't know if you know this, but teachers hang around upside down when you're not in the building. If you're going to do the length of the building, what direction are you going to measure? Up and down, right? That's what the measure is, up and down for length. Width is what? Side to side, right? So when we look at these buildings, for length, we need to identify what is the length. So we put the star at the top of our map so we know what is up, what is down, so we can calculate this accurately. So the length is up and down. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to put 9 here. Oh, we start with the Acropolis. How much length? 9 boxes in length. Then we go to width. We'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 22. 22 boxes. So we're going to put it here. Now we're going to write it as a ratio. 9 to 22. We took the first number of boxes, the length, to the width, and wrote it as a ratio. 9 to 22. The next thing we want to know is the actual length, right? I'm not thinking about these polises just in terms of boxes forever. We want to know how big it actually was. Well, each unit, each box is equal to 8 feet. So we've got to do some math. 9 times 8 is 72. 22 times 8 is 176. So our new ratio is 72 feet to 176 feet. Okay? So now we'll go down to the next one, agora. And the agora for this one is the red. And we have to count the length. The length of the agora is 9, and then we need the width. The width of the agora is 14. I just paused you through all my counting. You have to wait for that. So 9 to 14. Now we write it as a ratio. 9, second number, to 14. And now we have to do the math. Well, we already know 9 times 8 is what? 72. And 9 times 14 is what? No, not 9 times 14. I'm getting confused. I looked at that. I want to know 8 times 14. 8 times 14 is 112, if my calculator is accurate. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Then you'd find the temple. How many units in length? How many in width? Write it as a ratio and then multiply by 8. The units are worth 8 feet each, so we multiply everything by 8. Notice we're only doing it for 6 items. We're not calculating for roads or for homes. If you have something that is not rectangular, if you have something with a different type of shape, I want you to find the widest area. And we're going to count the widest in width and the widest in length. All right, if you have something that's not a square or a rectangle. Okay? Folks, if you have any questions, let me know.